Hi. What if I stop petting you? Yeah? Then you have to grab me, huh? Yeah. Then you have to grab me, huh? Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Hmm. It's raining and we have the door open. Huh. You don't mind the rain, but you don't like it when the house shifts, huh? When it makes that crackle noise. Yeah. What? Well, come here. Come here, silly girl. Want to come watch the rain with me? You can watch the rain? Yeah? Okay. Okay. You can come watch the rain with me. It's kind of nice, huh? Yeah. It's kind of nice. I'm sorry. Not allowed to stop petting you, huh? Yeah. Not allowed to. Want a mouse? Want a treat? Let me go get you one. Rue. You're too close. Look what I got. Look it. I got a worm. I got a worm. Get it. Get that worm. I gave you a worm. Get the worm. Did you even see I threw you a mouse too? Did you? There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There. Good girl.